Hello and welcome to our video guide. In this video, you will gain an in-depth understanding of the parts search function to find the items you need more efficiently. Let's begin by going through all the filters. The most effective way of finding car parts is by using extensive search. In comparison to the rest of the filters, this one allows you to search for one keyword at a time within the following columns. Part number, part name, manufacturer, parts description, car make, and car model. Let me show you how that works. Every search starts with the OEM number. This method is the simplest way of finding specific items, because suppliers can upload parts in their local language. Enter the part number, with or without spaces, and check out the list of all the parts matching your OEM number. Let's have a closer look at the results. In this example, we have results from 4 suppliers. One supplier has chosen to add a part number within the description. How is the part number filter different from the extensive search? Allow me to show you an example. If the extensive search is the most effective, then the part number filter is the fastest. It is because the search engine checks only the part number column when using the part number filter. Now, let's copy-paste the part number into the part number filter field and press search. Now, we see results from 3 instead of 4 companies. Therefore, looking for parts using the extensive search filter is a good idea. The reason is that suppliers tend to add part numbers in the description field instead, like in our example. Parts condition is, without doubt, the most essential factor. The condition filter allows you to select from factory sealed, new, refurbished, or used parts, ensuring the car part meets your requirements. It is possible to select different conditions at once. I want to find used parts, so I choose both refurbished and used conditions. When looking for used parts, another essential filter is the grade filter. So, let's search for items with grade A. Please be aware that the grading systems might differ from country to country. Meaning A1 could mean different things in Denmark compared to what it means, for example, in Bulgaria. We encourage sellers to explain the grading system they use within their company profile. Let's have a look. Click on this icon, and the company profile will open in a new window. Here you can find all the information about the supplier. Great, this company has explained how their items are graded. Now I want to conduct a much more specific part search. First, I want to filter down all parts found in France and Poland, so let's add them to the country filter. The country filter is the third most important filter. It helps you research new markets and determine parts availability in your target countries. Good, now I want to continue my search by finding a specific car make and model. These 2 filters work best together. So, let's find Ford and press search. Now, let's start typing in the car model filter. Since we have filtered Ford as the car make, the search engine already provides a list of all the models assigned to Ford, matching our keyword. You might be wondering why the list is so long. It all comes down to data discipline and how each supplier has filled out their parts data. Therefore, please pay attention when choosing a suitable model. There could be multiple naming variations. Okay, let's add the car year. I want to see more results, so I will remove the country filter. I want to find a radio for this car model, therefore, I will use the extensive search and see what I can find. Great, by trying a combination of different filters, I have found what I was looking for. It is a good idea to work with the filters and see for yourselves how the results change based on your selection. Another way of filtering parts is to use the price filter. However, it is good to know that suppliers can hide their prices. For them, we will display call in the search results. Let's say I want to find items with a maximum price of €99. To do that, I write 99 in the max price field. Great! Here we can sort all the results in ascending or descending order. We can also filter items with a minimum starting price. This time I would like to find everything that costs a minimum of €49. Besides the minimum and maximum price filter, you can also find parts within a specific price range. One of the biggest challenges when trading with other countries is the language barrier. Car part suppliers are free to upload parts information in their local language or English. So, what to do when parts are described in a language you don't understand? Here's a solution. Translate your browser page to any language you want. Start by right-clicking on the page when using Microsoft Edge or Chrome browser. Then select Translate to English. The page is now translated. If you want to translate into another language, please follow these steps. First, click the More Options icon, then select Choose another language and make your selection. When ready, click on Translate. With a few clicks we have translated all information into French. Great! You are now more skilled in finding your desired car parts. Let's just wrap up the main takeaways. The most effective search filter is the extensive search, whereas the fastest way of finding parts is using the part number filter. Use condition filter to separate used from brand new parts. Research parts outside your own country borders when using the country filter. Now it's your time to try out the search filters. Thank you for watching along, and feel free to check out our other video tutorials.